Hi, I'm Alexander from Rene of Paris. Today I want to talk to you about Glam Wavez, and here is Glam Wavez. I also don't think I really need to do much talking about this. It speaks for itself. It is beautiful. Glam Wavez is in the Muse collection. She's heat friendly, so she can be customized with the straightening or the curling. But for me, again, just gorgeous as is. Loving these kind of straight, smooth, kind of glossy, long lengths, coming into the mid-length and end where we've got that beautiful tousled curl, very effortlessly done. Also could pass as a natural kind of curl, which is so on trend. I love this style, absolutely beautiful. Glam Wavez. You know, you see that lovely continuation of the smoothness into the curl. And to finish off, let's have a look at the back. So just looking at that wonderful tousled kind of curl, looks so beautiful, texture is gorgeous, it's smooth, it's glamorous. This is Glam Wavez. Glam Wavez is a heat-friendly wig with extended lace, a mono part, an open wefted cap, and adjustable straps at the nape.